Brickstone is an infrastructure accelerator with strong competencies in the appraisal, transaction advisory and project development of large-scale industrial and infrastructure projects in Africa. In executing our advisory process, Brickstone combines investment acceleration, capacity building and hands-on advisory skills that provides unsurpassed creative approach that differs from the traditional consulting firm. Our services is focused on three main themes that characterizes major industrial and infrastructure projects: we appraise, we advise and we accelerate. Our goal at Brickstone is to be Africa's infrastructure catalyst. One of our core sectors in Brickstone is technology infrastructure. The technology infrastructure practice supports projects with capital-intensive IT facilities that can be shared amongst multiple corporate users. The practice is grouped into data centers and network infrastructure, media and broadcast centers, healthcare technology infrastructure. Brickstone is the spur Africa has been searching for to quicken its gap in its infrastructure deficit, while providing quality project development and acceleration service. Won't you rather contact us to make your project happen? Visit www.brickstone.africa/techinfra or call us on +234 814 990 6488.